One of the many purposes for my Daily Fit Handbook is for individuals who are in stressful situations who still need to take care of themselves in the form of fitness. It reminds me when my wife and I were planning our wedding back in 2020. She was in California, I was in Texas, I had just started a new job, and the gyms were shut down. What I wish I had was something virtual that I can do anywhere where I was at without the need for any exercise equipment. And something like this handbook would have been perfect for me in such a stressful situation. Speaking of which, here are 3 mental health tips to help you along your fitness journey. These fitness facts will give your mental stress a massive wedgie. 20 minutes of exercise has been shown to release endorphins, which cause you to calm down. Fact 2, the same 20 minutes is going to help with mental focus, decision making, and cognitive function. Fact 3, better way to improve your mental health than to get in a social group. It's one of the natural ways to meet people. And of course, you can learn these tips and more from the Daily Fit Handbook, which promises to give your mental stress a massive wedgie. You can find more information, the link in the bio, or hit me directly. Let's get it.